Welcome back to my YouTube channel, dolls. My name is called 𝘱𝘩𝘪𝘴. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you again for watching today's video. Today's video is a festive New Year's makeup look. I really wanted to do this for you guys. I enjoyed filming this look and just wanted to share the tutorial with you. So I'll be focusing on my eye makeup predominantly for this video. If you do want to watch my foundation, highlight, contour, I'll link those in the description box below or towards the end of this video, so do check them out. But we're going to be focusing on the eyes and also the lips as well. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started. So guys, the first product that we are going to start off with to prep our eyes is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, which looks like that, and this is in the shade Tan Sand. I like to put concealer on my eyelid before doing eyeshadow because it just carves out any darkness and gets everything into one sort of uniformed color. So that's what we're going to do here. And I like it as well because it's very thick and very creamy, so it just really gives my eyelids just a nice cover up, because I do have darkness around my eyelid area. So yeah, it's just the perfect concealer to use. So once I apply the concealer, I'm going to set that concealer with some powder, some setting powder, and I'm using the Photo Ready Candid Anti-Pollution setting powder, and it is in the shade Banana. So that's what I'm going to be using to set that under eye so that that doesn't move, and we can start off with our eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow today, guys, I'm going to be using the Artist and Muse from KKW Beauty. I absolutely love Kim Kardashian's palette because it's just got all the colors that you could ever need in terms of doing any sort of look. So I'm going to be going in with my favorite shade to go in with my transition color, and that's the Glam King. This is a nice chocolate warm brown. I'm just taking a blending brush, fluffy brush, and just going in to that crease and packing it into the outer corner and just sort of creating and carving out that eyelid. I just like to apply a little bit of eyeshadow just right here at the end there, because that's the part that creates all the drama for the eye. So it's important to apply the eyeshadow there. As you can see, I'm just leaving that central area just bare, because we're going to go in with a different eyeshadow that's going to be the main color. But for now, we're just going to focus onto the crease. And guys, the reason why I don't have foundation is because I'm going to be doing a smoky eye, and I didn't want to have any fallouts. I just want the rest of my makeup to look fresh. So that's why I've done the eyes first, and because we're focusing on the eyes, it just makes sense to do that first and then sort of skip into everything else. If you guys do want to see my foundation routine and how I do that, I will list all of those videos in the description box below. But today the main focus is just the eyes, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video here. Then the next color that we're going for is Inspired, and it's this deep brown here. I love using that for my outer crease area because it just creates a nice smoky eye, and it's so subtle as well. It's a good building up color in terms of your, you know, your darker browns. It just builds up that eye really nicely and very, very classy. It just gives it a sharpness that's not too strong, but just is super, super perfect for starting your smoky eye. To darken that outer part of that eyelid, we're going to go in with this shade called Truffle. This is from Too Faced, from the Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. I love Truffle because it's the perfect color to use if you don't want a strong smoky eye. So instead of using black, I like to go in with this because it's really nice and dark, but it's not too dark that it looks, you know, like you've got panda eyes. It just gives you a subtleness and just really goes well into the skin. So I like to use this as sort of my dark color to smoken up my eyes more than actually black, unless if I'm doing like black smoky eye, then that's different. So guys, for the main attraction, the main color, we're going to be going in with Beauty Campaign, and it's this lovely silvery sort of like champagne-y color. Absolutely love it, and I think that it's so perfect for New Year's because New Year's is all about the glitz, the glitter and the glam, and I feel like this eyeshadow here just literally is all of that. And I'm not going to take the eyeshadow far out, I'm just going to literally end right there so that that smoky eye, that smoky corner that we've created can just sort of sit above that. Like, if you're into glitter, it's basically the most glittery sort of silvery shadow you can get in, and yeah, in this palette basically, guys. I really love it. And the gold as well in this palette is the same way. This is sort of like silvery, and then the gold is also like absolutely perfect for creating a gold eye. So I really love it. I really love that she's got a little bit of, you know, glittery shadows in her palette, and it's not just matte colors. That to me just lets me know that this is a good palette, because I feel like an eyeshadow palette should have textures and different it should have different textured eyeshadows. It just is perfect, especially if you want to switch things up like what we're doing right now. So I'm just going in with that eyeshadow and a little bit of that truffle eyeshadow, and all I'm just going to do is just blend that truffle colour just over that, getting rid of any little mistakes that we created. Oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention, this silver eyeshadow doesn't actually have a lot of fallout, and I absolutely love that. I love eyeshadows that don't have too much fallout because it just makes it easier, I feel, for someone that is learning this, you know, makeup thing and makeup journey. And yeah, it just makes it easier for them, because I think when you have an eyeshadow with a lot of fallout, it can just sometimes put you off. So I really like that the KKW beauty palette, the one that the color I've just used, that it doesn't fall out or cause any sort of mess onto your face. It's just really perfect formula, so really love that. So I'm just blending over that because I don't want to disrupt any of the colors. I'm just taking a blank brush with no product on it, and literally I'm just blending that out, just like that. And then to line our eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with a flat brush that looks like that, and I'm basically going in with shade Truffle again, and that's what I like to use actually as a liner. I find eyeshadows are sometimes easier to use as a liner because you can blend them out and add like such a blurred out smoky effect, and I feel like that looks so nice, guys. So I like it like that, and then I do the same thing for this eye. All I just do is just so it gives my eyes this sort of slanted, elongated eye, and it just lifts it up. Then guys, we're gonna go in with our mascara. I'm gonna be using the Wonderluxe Rimmel mascara, and it's the Wonderluxe Volume full-bodied volume mascara from Rimmel London. That's what I'm using before we apply eyelashes. For my eyelashes, I'll be putting on these, but I'm going to put these off camera just for the purpose of this video. So guys, I've done my face off camera. Now we're going to finish up the eyes. We're going to go in with Glam King and I'm Inspired, and we're just going to blend that on my lower lash line. Then I'm also going to take the color Truffle that I used to smoke out my eyes and apply that on top of those shadows and blend that out. For lips, I'm going in with this So Chic brown lip liner, and I'm just using that to line my lips. Then I'm going to go in with my liquid lipstick, matte lipstick, and this one is from L'Oreal in the shade, I think it's Sweet Tooth. So guys, I went in with the Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick from L'Oreal, and this is from the Le Chocolat collection, and it's in the shade Sweet Tooth. You guys know I already like this as a nude lippy. Then last but not least, we're going in with this plumping lip polish, and it's the Filler Instinct from NYX Cosmetics, and that is just what I'm applying over that nude liquid lipstick, just to give it a bit of a nice subtle gloss, just like that. So guys, this is the finished New Year's makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed creating this makeup look. I tried to film this yesterday and it didn't work, and I'm so glad that it came out really well. I just wanted to go for something else different. This is like a sparkly, smoky eye, and it's just super perfect for the festive time and for New Year's. It is absolutely beautiful and I really enjoyed it. I really hope that you guys liked it as well. Please do not forget to comment in the comment section below. I'll also leave everything that I've used in the description box in case you didn't catch it, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the new year. Bye.